Hello dear students, today let's deal with a very interesting topic called the proverbs. First, have a look at the sentence that is given below so that you can understand the proverbs better. I'll read the sentence for you or I'll read the proverb for you. All that glitters is not gold. I'll repeat it. All that glitters is not gold. So what does it mean? It means that one should not be misled by what they see. It might be wonderful, beautiful, and absolutely fantastic, but who knows? It might be fake. Hence, do not trust everything that looks good. Be very careful. If you want to use it in a sentence, you might say, all the online offers look tempting, but I need to be careful because all that glitters is not gold. I'll repeat it. All the online offers look tempting, but I need to be careful because all that glitters is not gold. You might have come across many offers in many shopping websites. All look tempting, but there might be a risk hidden. Hence, we need to be very careful. Now this will be clear for you in Telugu. In Telugu, you might have heard many proverbs. For example, Durapu kondalu nunupu. It means the grass is always greener on the other side of the mountain. Though the literal meanings of Durapu kondalu nunupu and the grass is always greener on the other side are different, but the intended meaning is same. In Telugu, దూరపు కొండలు నునుపు అంటే దూరం నుండి కొండలు నునుపుగా అంటే అందంగా కనిపిస్తాయి, కానీ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే కానీ అవి అంత అందంగా లేవు, రాళ్ళు రప్పలు ఉంటాయి, గరుకుగా ఉంటాయి, అంత అందంగా లేదు అని మనం తెలుసుకోలేము. ఇన్ హిందీ ద proverb that gives the same meaning is दूर के ढोल सुहावने. दूर के ढोल सुहावने. इसका मतलब ये है कि दूर से ढोल का शोर भी संगीत लगता है, मगर अगर पास गए तो उसका असली शोर पता चलता है. Now let us look at a few more examples of proverbs in English and their meanings. The first one. Only a fool tests the depth of a river with both feet. Only a fool tests the depth of a river with both feet. Now what does this mean? If you want to see how deep a river is, just putting one leg is enough. Don't you think so? But if you put both legs to test the depth of a river, you might drown. So be careful. When you want to test something, don't just completely get involved in that. First just test it. That is the meaning of this proverb. The second one. Dig the well before you are thirsty. Dig the well before you are thirsty. It means do your work beforehand so that you may not worry when you are in need or when the time arrives. Third one. People who live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones at others, whatever it might be. People who live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones at others. It means everyone has some faults in him or her. If you find fault in others, others will definitely show you your faults. Fourth one. A poor workman blames his tools, or a bad workman blames his tools, or always blames his tools. It means a person who is not committed to his work always blames others for his bad or poor performance. Fifth one. Fortune favors the bold, or fortune favors the brave. Now what does this mean? If you are brave enough to take risks, only then you have a chance of becoming successful. If you are not brave enough to take risks, then the chances of becoming successful become lean. Now let us look at a few examples from your textbook. First, I'll read the question, that means the match the following question, and you need to match the right part of the proverb to make it a complete proverb. Now there are 10 proverbs given. I'll do 5 and I expect you to do the remaining 5. First, I'll read the question. Match the parts under A and B to make some proverbs. You can use the clues given within the brackets. The first one is done for you. First, I'll read it as it is. 1. An apple a day, within brackets, search for a profession. A is a friend indeed. 2. A friend in need, in brackets, rhymes with need. B saves 9. 3. Failure is, within brackets, search for achievement. C. Mightier than the sword. Fourth one. A stitch in time, in brackets, search for a number. D. Keeps the doctor away. Fifth one. The pen is, within brackets, search for a weapon. E. The stepping stone to success. Now let us look at the answers. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It means if you eat apples regularly, then you won't need to visit the doctor. That means you'll fall ill less frequently. The second one, a friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend in need is a friend indeed. It means a friend who helps you in trouble is the real friend. Third one, failure is the stepping stone to success. Failure is the stepping stone to success. That means when you fail, it teaches you lessons, and with the help of those lessons, finally you will achieve success. Fourth one, a stitch in time saves 9. A stitch in time saves 9. Here 9 is neither animal nor a human being. It means, for example, there is a dress or there is a cloth and there is a tear. If you mend it immediately, if you stitch it immediately, then it won't tear more, and afterwards you won't need to stitch it again and again and again. Something which you can mend it in one stitch, no need to delay it for another 9 stitches. Fifth one, the pen is mightier than a sword. The pen is mightier than a sword. It means that with the help of a pen, you can degrade someone's character or you can make someone happy. Hence, the pen is considered to be great or greater than a sword. Hope you have understood the topic. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.